Yeah.
So Chick-fil-A. Oh, also over there by Walmart was Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
So that's close by too. And of course, you can't have a central location without a Target.
Hi guys. So I'm in Arizona. I'm here for, you know, a couple of time, and we're heading to church. Oh, that's a Tesla.
Yes.
That's a self-driving car, isn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
You're gonna see
yeah.
them all over the place.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, lots of people out here have them.
Okay, so I'm here in Arizona, and I'm just, you know, break, whatever you call it, vacation mostly. I had a traumatic experience at the airport, you guys. Yo, they took my passport. I had to go to a secondary evaluation. The scariest thing, the scariest thing I've ever encountered. I'm like, they're gonna dick me. I'm gonna know what to do. Like, each question they asked me, I answered honestly. Is it how much money I have? I have $40. So how you gonna pay for stuff? Brianna, that's legit. I legit said Brianna. Like, who's Brianna to you? I'm like, my friend. Hold on, 11. Like, I had to go down like a whole thing. It was scary. It was scary. And so, you know, I always drink my teas, right? Quick note, do not drink anything at all before going on the airplane, just in case I stop here. So I'm gonna drink my tea no matter for pee, you know, 𝘧𝘅𝘅, and my belly a gurgle. Plus I was nervous, bruh. I was fidgeting and I had to use the bathroom. Did you know I could not flush the bathroom, the toilet? When I wipe, I had to put it down for them to inspect it. I couldn't flush because I had to inspect it. They legit thought I was probably like a mule or something. It was crazy. It was crazy. So when I got to where I'm now, I was scared. I was like, crap, they can call ahead, because I had a layover in Charlotte, yeah. So I thought they were going to call ahead and be like, yo, she has long nails. Do not let her come into the US no more. Take her back home. So it's pretty good that I'm actually here now. So that was really traumatic for me. So yeah, hair. Wig is by Iconics on Instagram. My wig was installed by Royal Hair Legacy, and this morning I did a little something. I hope Shamila is proud of me, because I'm horrible with my hair. Know that she had my hair, I just feel handicapped. So yeah. Promotion special for my IG stories, so it's $10. I'm going to insert the little flyer that I made at the end of this video, and then we're home. Oh, that's so quick. And then I'm having one for $10, one for $1,500, and the $1,500 one obviously is for us in Jamaica. $1,500, I post your business, a YouTube, whatever it is that you're coming with, your book, your lip gloss, your fitness, whatever it is, your children's book, whatever it is, I'll post that for you on my page. But what you must do is screenshot me your payment. That's one. Two, you must screenshot your payment, and you can tell me what you want me to say. Send a link if you want me to post a link for you, and also the image that you want to use. Now, if I go on your page and the image that you sent me, it not grab nobody, or I don't think it represents your brand, I'm going to go on your page and choose a pic that best represents your brand. With that being said, no private pages, okay? So this film. There's Jen, my white friend. She's white. I swear to God, look. I call her Kiki though. When she came to Jamaica three years ago, was it? 2 years ago, who called her Kiki. They came for missions. So her name is Kiki. To me, not you guys. To me. I can't wait to show you guys my outfit. It's so litty. My tights, they're from 𝘬𝘬𝘯𝘵 Premium Closet, and I got this jacket over here from Brianna, and I got my boots. These are the boots I wore to church today. They're so cool, you guys, from Brianna. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm loving how I look today. Wow. She sent my dog. That is so pretty.
That's another hiking spot, yeah.
So people hike up that mountain?
Yeah.
Wow. So where Ryan Corey normally go?
Corey has a few different spots.
Wow.
But
Yeah.
A lot of people get stuck up there and have to get lifted off.
What?
Yeah.
Alright guys, just coming from 𝑷�D's. We got some really cute stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to go back home. Dinner is at 6. They have like times, or dinner's at 6. Dinner ready when it's ready? No, it's at 6. Yeah, dinner's at 6. So. Okay, good morning guys. So I make coffee. Look how my oven sweater in the house. It's cold. And then Brianna said the heater is what's on and not the AC. I mean, I say you too lie. You can't tell me that. Man, for some for catch the phone. I'm so hungry though. It's like after 10 here, but in Jamaica it's after 12, and this is the time that I usually eat. I usually eat like this time, like after 12, and it's cold. So now we pan that coffee something. Yeah, wait, I'm sure. Well, no, but now we pan this. Auntie Jill do it for me. So yeah, and I probably have to wait till it reach the 4 cups something before we can make coffee. Alright guys, so the coffee finished, so I'm going to pour it in. Okay. Then I'm gonna add. Auntie, I think I want to try the flavored thing. That what you say?
Oh yeah.
Yes, please.
Like go out?
Yeah. No, not like you struggling like out. No, but like go out and go eat and them something there as a family.
Yeah, we usually do, but COVID time has just made things so weird. So we do more takeout stuff, or like that.
Right.
I think Thursday night we'll go to like.
So we just got Starbucks, you guys, and then we're going to go to Chick-fil-A Select now, and we ordered online on the app, and then we're gonna just pick it up. Then we're just gonna pick it up. Boy, anytime Jamaica get wind of this road, that's a Mustang. Oh, it's so good. That is the amount of care me say up your more.
That's
another
not a Mustang. That's a Dodge.
Dodge.
Isn't that the Challenger?
Dodge Challenger. Oh, the red car is coming up, guys. Look it. Hello there. Hey, how you doing? My name's Simone. So the curbside, and they're going to carry the food out to us. So this is going to be the end of the vlog. I'm not doing well. I miss Jalil and Jonathan so much. I couldn't carry them with me because of where I was staying, and because of the nature of me coming up here. They're with their daddy and my grandma, so they're with family, obviously. But I just spoke with Jalil and Jonathan, and oof, my heart, I miss them tremendously. It's like everything I do, I'm doing for them, and it's so weird. It's like before I make a decision, I'm wondering, I wonder what Jonathan go think. Before I make a decision, I'm like, oh, I wonder what Jonathan go think. Wonder what Jonathan go, if him going like this, stuff like that. But this is Monday. I've not been here long. I have 3 more weeks to go. I have a lot of things planned on doing. I have my vlogging camera with me. I'm gonna take my vlogging camera from now on, so I can get like different variations or whatever. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Just a reminder, I'm still doing promos today, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I'm taking payment via ZELLE, Cash App, PayPal, and Scotia Bank Transfer. 4 methods of payment. So for the Scotia Bank Transfer, that's 1,500 Jamaican dollars, and I post on my stories your page and whatever wording you want me to use, and an image you want to send it, and also the name of your business or a link if you want me to link it. All that information must be sent to my IG. Zine, so this is what you're going to do. When you send your payment, you screenshot it, send it to my IG. Along with that, send the image that you want me to use if you want to use an image, and send me the link if you want me to link our website. And also remember the name of your company so I can post it. I have to see the screenshot before I can post, because some of you tell me that you send me the payment and you guys can't provide a screenshot, and you know that people out there will misuse what it is that I'm doing. Even as cheap as it is, $10 for promotions, and then $1,500 Jamaican dollars for promotions, bruh, that's you cannot beat that deal. So yeah, just want to remind you guys. So it's today, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All right, bye guys, for real this time. Father God.